So we're tidying out the shed and I find a potato fork, or a root fork as they're called, that I bought about 15, 16 years ago, maybe longer, when we had an allotment. And unfortunately something collapsed on it and all the prongs were literally like bent in different directions, and I thought, it's a crying shame to get rid of it. Is there anything I can do with it? Can I fix it? And then I had a bit of a brainwave. I've got loads of flags that I'm lifting up at the moment, concrete flags. Carol and I are doing that, well, mainly Carol's doing that. We're just leaning them against the wall. Our neighbour's going to use them. So I wondered whether I could kind of bend the forks back. And I tried to do it by hand with no effect. And then I decided to do this. So it's a bit of a trick for you, for those with bent forks. I placed it between several flags. In fact, I made sure I could go back as far as I could with it. So I went back 2 flags and I just jimmied it in, wriggled it around over a few days, and I came out today and I noticed before there was a gap like that between the 2 flags, and I thought, aye, what's going on here? And this has been out here for about a week now, so I thought, let's have a go, let's have a see. So let's wriggle it out, and Bob's your uncle. It is, more or less, straight again. You can see some are a bit forward, so I'm still going to put it back in there and hope for the best. But isn't that great? Just shows you that you don't have to use brute force sometimes. Just use your brain. So all I'm going to do now is jimmy back in, and hopefully it'll go flatter than before and it can be used again as a tool.